Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to create public profile if you are under 18. So if you have recently created Snapchat account and now you want to create your public profile, but public profile option doesn't show you. So how you can fix that? So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Snapchat here, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on Bitmoji profile, and after that you have to check whether your public profile option is showing or not. If it is not showing, then there are three main reasons for that. One of the reason is that you have created your account not more than 24 hours ago. So if it doesn't have time, which means if you have created account and the time is not 24 hours, then public profile option will not be shown. And the second one is you have put your birthday under 18. So if you want to create a public profile, there is a condition in Snapchat that you must be 18 years old. So if you search for help in Snapchat support, and if you search for how to create a public profile, then they will tell you about the same. So if you search for public profile, as you can see, so we will told by the Snapchat support the same story. So here you can see that public profile, if you search for public profile on Snapchat sport, then here will be the option that you can simply create public profile if even if you are under 18. But if you click on how to create a public profile, then they will tell you about the detail. In most countries, if you are a Snapchatter who is 18 plus, you are eligible for a public profile and will have one that you can choose to use. So in this way you can create public profile. But if you are under 18, then how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply click on settings, and after that you have to simply select your birthday. Then what you have to do, you have to simply change your birthday, and you have to set your birthday greater than 18. So that's the only method that you can create public profile if you are under 18. So while creating an account, you have to make sure that you do not put your age under 18, then you will not be able to create public profile. Hope you have liked this video. If I get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.